Hello there, my name's Dan Myers. I'm the Director of Food and Beverage here at the Beverly Wilshire Hotel in Beverly Hills, California. I'm up here in our penthouse suite on the 14th floor. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a feeling pretty cocktail inspired by the movie Pretty Woman. Even though it looks a little bit fancy and a little bit intimidating, I'm going to show you how we do some of these tricks in the bar so that you can replicate these things at home. All right, we're gonna start making our drink by freshly muddling 5 raspberries and mash the raspberries around a little bit. You just wanna really extract the juice from that and just get them well pulverized. And then we start adding the fun stuff. We're just gonna do a 1/2 ounce of creme de pêche. It's a peach liqueur. The nice thing about this spirit, it smells delicious. It's great for the summer, and you can actually make it at home. All you need is some peaches, some lemon peel, sugar, water, and vodka. Next we have our Absolute Elix vodka. It's one of my favorites. We're doing 1.5 ounces of that. Next we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of aquafaba, which is the water that's left behind in the can of chickpeas. The reason we use that in our restaurant is because so many people are looking for plant-based drinks. Next we have 1.5 ounces of fresh lemon juice. This really helps with the acidity of the cocktail, really brightens it up quite nicely. So now that we've got the ingredients in there, we're going to do a dry shake. And what that means is that there's no ice. So you just do 1 round with a dry shake. You gotta really get everything incorporated, and doing this really helps the aquafaba foam quite nicely too. Next we'll be adding the ice to the cocktail, and then we'll shake it again. All right, now that I've got everything incorporated, including the ice, I'm gonna pour this into my glass. You can see that it's pretty in pink, and then we'll just top it with some champagne and a rose. Cheers. Enjoy your feeling pretty cocktail, and we can't wait to welcome you back to Beverly Hills.